Hello, what's up guys? I'm Alex. So first one is TNT. No more explosion. Okay, now let's do TNT times 5. This is quite bigger. TNT times 20. This one's quite bigger. Now TNT times 100. This is quite big. TNT times 500. Oh look, one village only. It's just one village only. See? See, I saw first time. Just one village here only. There's a pressure plate, so I'll just step on it. Wait. Oh my god! That was so big! Meteor TNT. Oh my god! This is extremely big. Like a creeper sound. There's a nuclear waste. Oh my god. That's so big. Also nuclear waste. Waste of nuclear. That's not funny. Not funny at all. Okay, let's test flat TNT. Wow, now it's flat. Mining flat TNT. This is even and flatter. Oh look, the dungeon! Okay. Compact TNT. Compact TNT. Wow! So many explosions. Let's try house TNT. Wow! wood house TNT. House TNT. There you go. Let's try brick house. House is made by bricks. Wow, that's nice. Now let's try fire TNT. Wow, fire TNT. Snow TNT. Okay. Ocean TNT. Sparkling. Wow. Creates water and good squids like octopuses. Hellfire TNT. Hellfire. This is already taken. Cubic TNT. Wow, it makes a cube. Now, vaporized TNT. Wow, it's vaporized. Now, endo TNT. Wow, it teleported so far. Now, nuclear TNT. Wait. Oh my god! That's so big! 3 skills, a lot of waste of nuclear. Okay, now digging TNT. See, it did. So now let's try drilling. Wow, bigger hole. This is bigger. Now let's do a ghost TNT. Like in the Halloween. Wow! Like a ghost. Like in this Halloween cultures. Let's try multiply TNT. It multiplied. All right. Erupting TNT. Create the explosion sound in Bedrock Edition. I think the Bedrock Edition. Like a cluster TNT. Cluster. Chemical TNT. Oh my god! It melts the blocks into a lot of waste of nuclear. Lot of waste. And dangerous chemicals of special products of the urinals and toilets with the liquid of chemicals. Floating TNT. Oh, it's flying. Wow! Big explosion. Okay, freeze TNT. Wow! Freeze. Alright. Timer TNT. Okay. Timer TNT. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! It destroys small blocks because really too hard. Let's test erupting TNT versus timer TNT, but it gets shorter into yellow and then explodes by itself. Let's do an experiment. Okay, bedrocks exploded. Oh no. Sorry, it explodes quickly. So let's skip this right now. Oh, explosion here. Right here. Gets shorter. Okay. Let's do animal TNT. Whoa, animals. Oh my gosh. Let's keep explode creepers of these things. Let's do floating island TNT. Okay. Wow! Floating island. There's an island here with sunflowers. Wow! has many sunflowers. Okay, TNT firework. Let's do it. Like maybe right here. Okay. Until TNT lands, make it whole village destroys. Some of the villagers cannot be killed, but there is low health and very poor, and that's not funny. Let me explode this creeper. Okay. Gravity TNT, TNT firework. It lands. Meteor shower TNT. Wait. Whoa! Spiral TNT. Wow! Explosion. Grub TNT. It's a grub TNT. Old trees and deads. Okay, inverted TNT. It will be upside down. Wait. Oh! Oh my god! That creates a lot of blocks here around and moved you. Now, a sphere TNT. Oh, it creates fear. Plants destroyed. Okay. Arrow TNT. Oh my gosh. So many arrows. Last two. Lightning TNT. Okay, now the last TNT is custom TNT. Wow. Customized TNT. Let's check the second one. Wait. Explosion. But now let's test one more time. Wait. No, it's always the same custom TNT. Dynamite time! Bonus! Dynamite. Small explosion. Dynamite times 5. Bigger. Dynamite times 20. Bigger. Dynamite times 100. Wow! Dynamite times 500. Wait. Oh my god! This is very big. Now meteor dynamite. It holds up. Whoa! Flat dynamite. Wow! It gets flatter. And then mining flat dynamite. Wow! Compact dynamite. Wow! TNT. Wow! Eight explosions. For example, X plus explosive says compact. It makes TNT to explode hundreds of explosions with fire. Oh no, it started raining. Okay. Fire dynamite. Fire. Now snow dynamite. Wow, create snow. Ocean dynamite. Wow. Create water. Hellfire dynamite. Create gas. For laser sound entering portal into laser room. Vaporized dynamite. Wow. Vaporized. Ender dynamite. Okay. Now nuclear dynamite. Wow. Nuclear. A lot of waste of nuclear and tree leaves melted and killed them. Into rest in peace. Now digging dynamite. Whoa. Wow. It did. This isn't enough. Ghost dynamite. No, we can't see. We can see. I think I made a mistake, but the last item I dropped it down. So, no, don't go, no! Kill me, dynamite. Kill me, dynamite. It's kill me. Erupting. Like a bedrock sound explosion. Oh my god. Chemical dynamite. Whoa. Oh my god. Floating dynamite. Whoa. Big explosion. Freeze dynamite. Wow. Freeze. Let's remove water. Wow. Freeze. Let's say timer dynamite. Still red, but let's count down. Oh, explosion. Reaction dynamite. Okay. Animal dynamite. Wow, animals. Now, floating island dynamite. Wow. Let's see. Wow, that's the ground. If you get on nuclear waste, the item drops, then item melts. Let's test dynamite firewall. Whoa! See? Now spiral dynamite. Pop. Wow! Colors are broken. I didn't know why everything crashed, so I'll restart Minecraft. I'm back at this game. Now let's do group dynamite. Second time. Okay. Sphere dynamite. Arrow dynamite. Wow. Lightning dynamite. Wow. Lighter. Now, uranium. Wow. Nuclear waste. Okay. Mountain top removal. See? Explode. Now. Wait. Oh my god. Okay. Mankind's monk. Wow. Mankind's monk. The tool of this one. 2 doors here. Because I used OptiFine and with a mod. Now, Jose John's wave. Wait. Oh! Oh my god! Hell's Gate. Dust Bowl. Dust Bowl. Oh my god! Dust Bowl. Now, hexahedron. What? It's dangerous. Oh! It creates a lot of. It breaks everything, but with the square areas. Now, Pompeii, like a volcano. Heaven's Gate. Wait. Oh my god. Let's see. Alright, thanks for watching for this video and subscribe to these videos on YouTube on Ruslan Beko plus Lucas 2009 Strong Gaming's very cool. I'll do last 3 TNTs. The Revolution. Oh my god. Global disaster. Wait. Oh my god. It's a nuclear waste, small waste of nuclear. Now, Chick's Lab. Let's test.